Hey there, quick review on this Amazon Basics folding camp chair. This has got some light padding on the base. It's comfortable to sit in. This is a 24-inch wide camp chair, so it's geared towards a little bit larger person. A lot of camp chairs are about 5 inches narrower than this, so it's very spacious to sit in if you've got a larger build. There are some conveniences that are nice to have on a camp chair. You've got a cup holder over here on the side, as well as a pouch that hangs down here. With netting, you could put your phone, drink, anything down in here. It's got a nice space for that, to keep stuff off the ground. It does have a cooler compartment on the side over here. This will hold up to 4 cans of beverage over here in a nice cooler compartment. And this folds up very easily, just like you would expect with most any camp chair. This is very comfortable to sit in, and like I said, if you're a little bit larger person, I'm 5'10", 180 pounds, and this is very spacious. For me, plenty of space, so if you got a bigger build, this is gonna be an ideal chair for you. As with all of the Amazon Basic products that I've reviewed, they take great designs and build these things at a fantastic price point, so you really get a great value with these products. Lastly, you do get a spacious bag for storing the chair, and like most camp chair bags, it's fairly easy to get the chair in there. As you can see, this bag's got plenty of extra space, so it's easy to get everything slid in and tucked away. And of course, you get a nice carrying handle / shoulder strap for transportation.